मेरा है सब लग रहा सितारा दुनिया से क्या हमसे खफा क्यों लोटा हमें
कह रहे हैं कुछ आया है क्या?
नहीं तो
नहीं मतलब पापा कुछ लाए हैं क्या?
Hey friends, welcome to BDX AI. All the amazing and mind-blowing videos you just saw on the screen right now were not created by any ordinary tool, but through the new capabilities of Google Omni. I know looking at these videos might make you feel that making them would be extremely difficult. But to be honest, it is incredibly easy, and anyone can prepare it in just a few minutes. The most special thing about this tool is that you get to see a very advanced level of motion control in it, allowing you to completely control the movement inside your video. Not only this, if you want a person or object in your video to smoothly transform into something else, Google Omni does this job in a highly realistic and natural way. It transfers any style from one object to another so perfectly that the viewer won't even feel it is made by AI. If you have seen the work of Nano Banana Pro, you would know what amazing transformations it creates. This new workflow also brings the output right in front of you at that exact same level, or rather in an even more realistic way. I have already shown you a live example of this at the beginning of the video to demonstrate how big of a revolution this is. Today's video is not going to be very long or boring. Instead, I will try to keep it very short and simple so that absolutely none of your time is wasted. You don't need to apply any major rocket science here. You will just need 2 to 3 simple prompts, and by using those prompts correctly, you will be able to prepare such a video yourself. But friends, before moving forward into this process of video generation, there are a few things and some important points that are absolutely essential for you to know. I always want to remain completely transparent with you on this channel. Therefore, I will openly tell you every single reality and limitation of this tool so that you face no trouble when you try it yourself. So without any delay, let's jump to the screen, and I will show you the entire workflow step by step to see how I created all these videos and how this whole system actually works from the inside. So friends, first of all, there is a very simple step. You have to open Google Chrome or any browser on your mobile or computer, go to the search bar and type Flow, meaning F-L-O-W. As soon as you search, you will see the link to Google Flow right at the #1 spot. You just have to click on it, and upon clicking, you will reach the official homepage of Google Flow. Scrolling down there, you will see a big option saying Create with Google Flow. You simply have to click on that, and upon clicking, you will be directly signed into the Google Flow interface. Meanwhile, if any dialog box appears on your screen asking for certain permissions, you should allow them without any fear. After giving permission, click Next and then click Continue. Just by doing this, you have now completely entered the Flow dashboard. Now, all of you look at the top right corner of the screen, meaning the upper right side. There, you will see your profile icon. When you click on that profile icon, you will see that you get 50 Google Flow credits absolutely free for daily use. You will get these credits every single day, and by using them, you can daily generate great videos through Google Omni in a very easy way. First of all, you have to click on the New Project option visible right in front of you. As soon as you click on New Project, the official generation dashboard of Google Flow will open up before you. If any new pop-up or notification appears on the screen in the meantime, you should enable or allow it so that all features work smoothly. Now, when you look at this interface carefully, you will see a large prompt box towards the bottom. It also features an agent mode option, but for now, we are not going to use agent mode. By the way, if you guys want full details about agent mode, I have already made a completely dedicated and detailed video on Google Omni. If you haven't watched that video yet, its link will be available in the description below. You can go and check it out after this video. Now, to generate a video, we first need to go to the Model Choice option. Upon clicking Model Choice, you will get options for both images and videos. So we simply need to go into the video section. As soon as you enter the video section, you will see different models from which you need to select Omni Flash. Now comes the main thing, which is the video length. If you select 10 seconds here, you can see that its generation cost is 30 credits. On the other hand, if you select 8 seconds, it will take 24 credits. For 6 seconds, it takes 20 credits, and for 4 seconds, it takes 14 credits. So, if you make a 10-second video using the 50 credits received daily, you will only be able to generate a single video. But if you reduce the length slightly and keep it at 6 seconds or 8 seconds, you can daily generate 2 videos very comfortably. For now, I will let it remain set at 8 seconds. But friends, the most important point here is that the number of credits you see also depends on how many video outputs you want at the same time. For instance, if you select 2x, meaning you want to generate 2 videos together at the exact same time, then it will cost you 30 credits. But if you set it to 1x, that same 10-second video will be prepared for you in just 15 credits. This means that you will get the exact same output, but fewer credits will be consumed. Therefore, I will always recommend that you keep it set to 1x, because even in 1x, you get a very amazing and perfect output on the very first try. If you keep it at 1x, it will take 15 credits for 10 seconds and just 12 credits for 8 seconds. By the way, even though I am selecting 10 seconds here in the settings, this tool has a rule. Whenever you upload any video into it for editing, it automatically shortens it to a default of 8 seconds. So, let's take one of the videos that I showed you in the beginning and start a trial here. For this, you simply have to click on the plus icon built on the screen. Clicking on the plus icon will bring up several options, out of which you need to click on Upload Media. Clicking on Upload Media will open your gallery, and you can select whatever video you want to edit or transform from here. For example, I will select this video of mine here. As soon as you select the video, a Terms and Conditions page will appear before you where I agree is written. You have to click on it. This pop-up appears because Google's system is highly protected and strict regarding privacy. You cannot use this tool to take any celebrity's video and tamper with it, nor can you create any fake or deepfake content. This is completely banned, and because of this strictness, this safety pop-up appears, which we simply have to agree to. Now, this tool accepts a video input of a maximum 30 seconds. So, after selecting the video, you simply have to click on Trim and Upload. Upon clicking, your video will start uploading in the background, which might take a little bit of time. But as I told you earlier, whether you take a 30-second video, a 20-second video, or upload any long video of 15 or 40 seconds, this tool will automatically process it and show it by making it a maximum of 10 seconds. You can also see on the screen that after being uploaded, this video is showing here as only 10 seconds long. As soon as your video is completely uploaded in the background, you will see an option at the bottom of the screen saying Add to Prompt. You simply have to click on that, which will directly link your uploaded video to the prompt section. After this, you now have to write a prompt here in very simple and easy language. Writing a prompt is not a very difficult task. For example, suppose I want to change the 2 characters visible inside this video and bring 2 dogs in their place, just like I showed you at the beginning of the video. So, I will type in the prompt box in very simple language. Replace the 2 characters in the video with the 2 dogs and realistic. You also need to write a clear prompt in exactly the same way. If you want to bring a cat instead of dogs or want to place some other object, you can write anything according to your choice. After completing the prompt, you need to click directly on the Generate button. But friends, a very big twist comes here before the generation process begins, which is highly important for you to understand. As soon as I click on the Generate button here, the first thing is that, as I mentioned earlier, whether your original video is 30 seconds, 20 seconds, or 10 seconds long. When you integrate a new video into it and give a prompt to edit it, this system automatically shortens it and makes it a default of 8 seconds. And the second biggest thing is that whenever you perform any video transformation or editing task inside this tool, 20 credits are directly deducted from your dashboard for each single video generation. This means the cost of editing one video comes out to 20 credits. So after checking all these settings and the calculation of credits, you have to press the Generate button given below in the final step. Now our video has gone into the queue, and it is going to take a little time to be fully processed and generated. So let's see on the screen how long this generation takes to complete and what our final output actually looks like. So friends, you can see on the screen that our video has failed here, and an error has appeared on the screen which reads, "Audio generation failed, please try different prompt." This error comes when the video generation fails completely. I faced this trouble too when I tried this tool for the very first time. But you do not need to panic at all because its solution is extremely simple. If you look closely, we had set the prompt absolutely perfectly. But the problem arose here where it is written, "No audio generated." When you upload an original video into it, to avoid this error, you simply have to go into the settings option of Google Flow. After going into settings, you will see an option there called Return Silent Video, which you will have to turn on manually. This setting is necessary because if a song is playing in the background of your video, or if the lip syncing inside the video is very fast, then this system fails to process that audio and shows you such an error in return. Therefore, when you turn on Return Silent Video and generate, you will get a perfect video output without any error. The only difference will be that there will be no audio generated in that new video. The easiest workaround for this is that after downloading the new video, you can take it into any editing software and apply the sound of your original video onto it. Now friends, let's move on to another amazing feature of it, which is motion control, meaning transferring the movement of a video. Suppose you want to transfer the movement and pose of a character inside a video onto an AI-generated character. The process for this is also very simple. First of all, you have to download such a video from Instagram or anywhere whose motion you want to copy, and along with it, select a reference photo as well. You need to upload both of these files onto the dashboard. Now, the main game of prompt engineering begins right here. For motion control, you have to type this line very carefully in the prompt box. Apply the pose and motion from the input video to provided character from this image, and apply style from image reference to the new video. After writing this prompt, when you click on Generate and keep Return Silent Video turned on in the settings, you will get to see an absolutely mind-blowing output. But friends, keep in mind that if there is a dialogue in the video or if someone laughs, the system generates it easily. But if a copyrighted song is playing in the background, or if there is a very well-known face or celebrity, this tool will not generate it due to copyright issues. Let me now show you a final and most trending workflow in which we can change any simple animation or 3D video into an ultra-realistic live-action scene. Nowadays, these kinds of videos are going viral heavily on Instagram. For this, you have to upload any 10-second animation video here. After uploading, you have to write in the prompt box. This is an animation, but I want you to transform it into a realistic live-action scene. Just by writing this much of a prompt and clicking on Generate, this tool will pull out such a perfect output that you will be left astonished. You can match both videos side by side and see the camera movement of the video, the frame inside the scene, the character's clothes, the design of the chair, and even the window placed in the background, the curtain, and the plant kept on the side get converted into the exact same real-life cinematic shot. If you convert such animation videos into live action and upload them to your channel, friends, your channel can grow very rapidly. I have explained all the major issues of Google Flow and their solutions to you by becoming completely transparent so that you do not face any difficulty in video generation. So friends, this was the whole truth and the step-by-step live tutorial of Google Flow and the new capabilities of Google Omni. I have explained everything to you from video generation to credit management, solutions to errors, and advanced workflows like motion control in a completely open and transparent manner so that when you try it yourself, not a single credit of yours gets wasted. If you guys truly found today's tutorial helpful and got to learn something new, then definitely give this video a big like, because I get a lot of motivation to make such real and informative videos from just one like of yours. Also, if you are new to the channel or haven't become a part of our family yet, then do not forget at all to press the subscribe button given below and set the bell icon to all, so that you don't miss any major revolution of the AI world. Alright friends, see you next week with another new amazing AI tool, an awesome workflow, and a blockbuster update. Until then, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep watching BDX AI. Bye-bye. Take care.